Hello there again, guys. It's Alan here from Munich Tour Tips TV, and thanks for joining me again on another virtual walk through the city. Remember guys, if you enjoy the video and you'd like to see more, just gently tap on the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you won't miss any of the tours that I'll be producing on here. So today we're going from Rosenheimer Platz and taking a walk over to the Munich East Station. The little square that we're approaching here, guys, is called the Weissenberger Platz, and it's in the Franzosenviertel, or the French quarter of the Heidhausen district of Munich. In the middle of this square is the Glaspalastbrunnen, or the Glass Palace Fountain, designed by August von Volt in 1853. This was initially located in the Glaspalast in the Alter Botanische Garden, hence the name. And at the end of the 19th century, the fountain was moved to Orleansplatz when the Ospanoff East Station was rebuilt. The Glaspalastbrunnen had to make room and was moved to the nearby Weissenberger Platz right here. After dusk, the fountain is illuminated on the square as well. Also on this particular square, during the Christmas period, they have the Weissenberger Christkindlmarkt, or Christmas market. As I'm sure you know, Munich is famous for its Christmas markets, and the Weissenberger Christkindlmarkt is one of my favourites in the city. Specifically, the French quarter of the Haidhausen district is very, very charming in the city. I'm going to be making a video pretty soon about that particular area as well, and it's very much got a Parisian feel to it, with lots of lovely cafes and so forth. So watch out for that video, guys. I'll be posting that very soon. We're making our way down the Weissenberger Straße towards the East Station. And there's lots of opportunities in this particular street to do a little bit of shopping, to stop at a cafe or a bakery and buy a snack or whatever on the way to the East Station. Many tourists that come into the city as well will be staying in this particular area in a hotel near the East Station. The East Station is the second biggest station in the city after the Hauptbahnhof, or the main station. And here we have the Parisa Platz, which was named in 1872 after the capital of France, again indicating to us the association with the French quarter of the Haidhausen district here. So as we approach down this last little stretch here, guys, towards the Munich East Station, or Munich Ostbahnhof as it's called in German. It opened as Heidhausen Station in 1871, and as I say, it's the second largest station in the city. The East Station will also be completely rebuilt and refurbished during this new construction project that's going on in the city at the moment, with the new main station and the extra Stammstrecke or main trunk line that will be going through the city as well. So there'll be big changes around the East Station as well in the coming years. But the station is actually located just opposite the Orleans Platz, which is where we're approaching right now. Again, Orleans Platz indicating that association with its French heritage in this particular quarter. So here's the East Station, guys, coming up on the other side of the road here. There are entrances onto the station around the Orleans Platz here, and we can see one of them just around the corner here. You can see a lot of market produce that you can buy in this area as well. So the area itself is well worth a visit, well served by trams, as you can see here as well. Once again, guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to have a look at the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's given you a little bit of a taster of Munich. And I'm really looking forward to when the day comes when people can come and visit us again here in Munich, and I'll look forward to seeing you. So all the best, guys. Take care now. See you in Munich.